Are you ready to start trading Forex? Don't rush into the market. Many new Forex investors have lost their money because they didn't take the time to learn the basics. First, you need a strategy. If you don't have a clear trading strategy, you are not ready to trade. Don't trade with your emotions. Don't trade with tips from random people. You need a solid strategy that has been tested and proven to work. Second, you need to learn how to manage your risk. Many new traders lose big chunks of their capital on a single trade because they are trying to be greedy. Don't do this. Learn how to manage your risk and only risk a small percentage of your total capital on each trade. This will keep your account alive even if you experience a losing streak. Finally, you need to learn how to control your emotions. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment and lead to bad trading decisions. Learn how to stay calm and focused on your strategy, and don't let your emotions control you. If you're ready to learn more, then sign up with Innohedge Limited today. Get access to our free educational resources and start learning how to trade Forex the right way. Don't wait. Start learning today and don't risk your hard-earned money.